word straight up.
So I originally made the video of me adding more curls to my locks probably over a month ago, and then got busy, didn't edit, just showing out, ain't edit nothing. So now I'm back. I'm back to finish the video, right? I started the video and then I thought I was done with it, got ready to edit it, and got into it, edited a little bit, kind of got sidetracked, but we're back. So I wanted to show y'all how I added the extra hair. So I see there's so many different ways that people do it. Call them mermaid locks. I got a lot of different names for them. But for me, it's just adding curls to the locks. Okay, so I'm gonna actually add those clips, of course, to this video because at this point, they've already been installed. The extra curly hair has already been installed and it's been in for over a month at this point. Now, the thing is, I also did a retwist. Have been growing like weeds though, y'all. It been growing like weeds, right? I'm in love though. I'm in love. That's what we want. But I actually did like a retightening. Don't let me say retwist. A retightening about. And look, y'all, look at that. Look at that length. Okay, so a lot of the length is mine, of course. My hair has grown a lot, but I'm gonna give it to you straight and let you know that I did add some more curls to the end of it, so that gave it extra length. You know what I mean? And who don't like extra length? Okay, so we got some extra length. But let me show y'all how we are flourishing. We are healthy. Look at that healthy hair. Now, if you haven't already noticed, I did color my hair. I actually, at this point, I need to recolor again. It's starting to fade. You can see some of the red here. And you can kind of see, which is the reason why I colored it, you can kind of see the demarcation of where my own hair has grown out versus where the lock was started. The lock extension was started. So that was the main reason for coloring the hair black. And I've been loving it though. I'm not mad at the color at all. Like I said, I think I said probably in a previous video that if I do at some point decide to color my hair again, it will not be where my natural hair is. Okay, it'll only be where the extensions are. I cannot take myself through that journey again of growing out locks and then watching them wither away. Like it was sad. But look how we back. We back, y'all. We back. We looking good. We healthy, black, shiny, healthy, full, thick. Everything you can think of, child. And we added our curls. Like I said, you see the curls, you see it. But in this video, we are adding new fresh curls to our locks. Okay. As you also see, we have some that we have to reattach. So we're doing some maintenance. We're reattaching some. That's a separate video as well. And it is time. Here's another one. We got to reattach. It is time for us to retighten. Okay. So we're going to get into all of that. Okay. But first things first, let me go ahead and take my bun down. Take the bun down so we can see what we're working with. So I have added the curls to most. I have added the curls to most of the hair. Okay. I left some in the top so I could definitely just show you all how I do it for anybody who's interested, who wants to do it. Also, I'm gonna add some pictures of what my hair looked like. Prior to me adding these new fresh curls to the end. So y'all, I wanted to bring the curls back again. I did tell y'all in a previous video, and make sure y'all catch up on all of the videos that I've done regarding my locks. I did let you all know that I did not maintain the curls on the end. It was a lot of work. I can't tell you I'm gonna maintain these. You know what I mean? Not that I really have to. I know what to do if I need to add more curls. You know what I mean? It's my hair, my decision, my choice. You know, if I want to add more curls. But as you see, And my hair has grown out so much, guys, so much. If you do remember, I was like a burgundy color not too long ago. So with that, you see that I did go dark. I think I talked to y'all about that in one video too, just saying that going darker helped with the line of demarcation between my natural hair as it grew out versus the actual lock extension or the extensions that I put in my hair. I just have about a few here in the front where you can see that they're not curly. You see those? Where they're pretty much straight. So we got a tray. Okay, so I'm using the same hair that I used originally when I installed my lock extensions with the loose curly ends. Okay, so this is the same hair out of it. So I have so much left. Now you can see some of those empty spots where I cut it off of the track. Now the other option is to get, you remember when we used to have back in the day, hopefully I ain't telling my age, but when we used to have micros, and you get the braiding human hair micro hair with the curl. You can try that as well. But I found it easier to find a good texture of hair and a good quality of hair, just, you know, getting a bundle or a couple bundles. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, as you see, we're gonna cut. So I like to cut a little into the curl so we don't have any straight ends at the very end of the curls. So as you see, we're just cutting straight through it. We're gonna pull out, we're gonna hold it really tight, okay? You see the curl, we're gonna hold it really tight. We're gonna pull out, y'all see that? We're pulling that out because we don't want no whole bunch of unnecessary shedding. We're just pulling that out. Okay, just pulling it out. This is too thick for my thin locks. As you can see here, lock is somewhat thin because I went with small locks. I called them micro locks, but I think they may be a little big to be micro locks. So I think I'm somewhere in between small locks and micro locks. But whatever you want to call it. But we got small locks, okay? So with this, I'm probably going to split it in half, this one piece. This very straight end here. Curl just gone, just gone. I didn't maintain them, so I didn't expect much. So we're using a crochet tool, okay? Now you want to make sure you're going through a foundation of the lock that is very much locked, okay? Because you don't want it slipping through. So of course, depending on how far you want to come down the lock or if you want to go a little further up. So and I'm kind of tugging at different pieces to see how strong they are because we want these curls to be supported. We don't want to be fighting for our lives, curls falling everywhere, embarrassment, okay? So with that being said, let's see, we're going to go right in here. Right in there. And as you see, I'm tugging to make sure that it's not going to go anywhere once I put it there. So we're going to go in the middle. We're taking this hair. We're going to add it just like that. Just like so. Okay. Put our finger right in there. We got a loop. Hopefully y'all can see that. And we are pulling it through along with the lock, you know, the ends of the lock we already had. So we're pulling all of that through together. You see, curl at the end there, okay? Now we're gonna pull down. Why? Because there's gonna be more hair that comes off when you do that. And as you see, we got a look, you see, it's fairly secure. But another step to just furthermore secure it, we're going in with our locking tool, okay? And let me get close here. We're going just like that, just like we would a lock. We're just going around, pulling it through. And hopefully y'all can tell what your girl is doing. Okay, so just like so. And it is on there. It is secure. Now, if you want to cut off the other piece of lock and you'll just be left with just that curl, that is an option. You can do that. Some locks I did that, some I didn't. I just kind of, you know, just for fullness, I just kind of wrapped them up together, made it work. With that being said, being that we're doing maintenance, I'm also going to go up here, which is where I braided it on during the initial install. Okay. And I'm just reinforcing that as well for a more seamless look. Then, last but not least, we are going to roll, okay? Roll. All right. And again, like I said, if that bothers you, just clip with some scissors, clip that right on off, right? Also, these little stragglers, go on get them. So right on off of there if you wanted to. If that's bothering you, watch. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that right on up off of there, and we are left with our curl. Once we figure out how to make life easy, we ain't fighting with these. We ain't fighting with no hair. We're not gonna do it. Y'all see we have a fresh curl on the end now. We back in business. Curl, I like to go in the middle somewhere with the curl. In the middle a little bit. You see what I'm saying? We're looking for that foundation inside of the lock that's gonna hold it for us real good. I found a good one. The sheet. No, ain't going nowhere. All right, that's what we like to see. And we're going to, you see how I attached that in there? We're gonna close that. We're pulling it through. We got that loop that we're gonna use. Come on, there we go. Come on, girl. There we go. All right, how long that took me, y'all? It don't take long. It don't take long at all, okay? So that's our first level of security. We got that on. Now what we're going to do, okay? Again, we're just using our lock tool, and we're rotating our fingers as we go. All right. But y'all, I just retwisted it, retightened about a week ago, okay? And we, look, it's growing, it's trying to grow back out again. Okay, that hair healthy. Okay? But I got a video coming for y'all kind of showing, I'm gonna go over some products I've been using, what I've been doing to my locks lately. Okay, what I've been using on them, if anything has changed, and what products I've been using, and just some more updates. But this is more of me just wanting you all to know about and how to add the additional curls to your locks if you want to. Now, I also find that these will be easy just to get rid of. If you ever want to get rid of the curls, I can see exactly where it's at. Technically, if you wanted to, you could just cut it there and then just kind of tease the end of the lock. Or if you ever wanted to get rid of the curl, like I said, my curls, I don't maintenance them like some people do to maintain the curls. I don't care enough. I don't have enough time in the day, right, to maintenance them. So for me, if ever I need to have the curls back again, take it off, reattach a new curl. It can be done, okay? So I ain't worried about it. We let the curls pop when they pop, and then if we need to redo them, we will. But y'all gotta see that length. Let me move y'all down just a little bit so y'all can see how she flourishing, okay? But yeah, if y'all have any questions, I feel like in the video I definitely showed clips that made it, so you can understand how I done it. But if you have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll answer as many of them as I can. I'm trying to be back, right? I want to be honest. I'm trying to be back. So that's my hope, that you'll see me definitely more often. But other than that, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Again, I appreciate all of my viewers, all of the people who comment, who watch the content, who have questions about it, who are in love with the locks the way I am. And again, until next time, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and bye, guys.